Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about speechma.com. Speechma.com is a new tool and it's completely free and it's unlimited. You can generate unlimited amount of voiceovers, and this is a game changer for people doing YouTube automation or faceless YouTube channels and stuff, or just create content for TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. This is a game changer in my opinion because it is completely free and it is unlimited and the quality is really good. So first things first, if you want to try it out, you can just go to speechma.com, and this is the URL here, and it's very clean design, it's very simple. If you go to their features, they have natural voices. I tried them, they're very realistic and they are very high quality and they are mobile friendly, so if you are using your phone. Okay, and the use cases here, it's long form for YouTube videos, it's short form for TikTok or YouTube Shorts or any of these, or presentations. You can create presentations. And if you go, like, is it actually free? Yes, Speechma is completely free to use, no hidden charges. You can't even create an account, which is crazy. It says here, what can I use the generated audio for? You can generate it for commercial use, YouTube videos, TikTok content, presentation, and more. So you have commercial license to use it whatever, whenever, which is amazing. And for the voices, they have a lot of voices across many languages and many accents and many genders. It's amazing. And you can download these videos, you can download these audios as an MP3. So let's test it. I have this very simple text in here, and you have here, you can search for a voice, and you have genders in here, the languages here. They have a lot of languages, and the countries. So we're gonna go for English. Sorry, where's the English? Here, let's go for USA. Let's hear it. Let's hear this. Let's hear Amber.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into crystal clear audio with just a click.
That is good. That is really good. Let's try Ashley.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into crystal clear audio with just a click.
That is good. Let's try Christopher.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into crystal clear audio with just a click.
Good. Let's try Guy.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words...
No, that's very robotic. No, let's try Sarah.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into crystal clear.
The female voices are, in my opinion, they're way better. So let's try Amber for now, and then we have this very simple text. Generate audios. That was really quick. Oh my god. That was really quick. And let's hit play.
Tech with Adam is so good, I'm convinced it could teach a goldfish to build a gaming PC. And yes, I'm smashing that subscribe button.
Thank you. Thank you, Amber, for smashing the subscribe button. Thank you. So let's try Jacob.
Tech with Adam is so good, I'm convinced it...
Sorry. I need to generate the audio first.
Tech with Adam is so good, I'm convinced it could teach a goldfish to build a gaming PC, and yes, I'm smashing that subscribe button.
It's good. The only thing is missing here is you can't edit the voice generated. So if you go to ElevenLabs, and here you can edit the voices. You can like stability and similarity and stuff. But here you can't with Speechma. Again, it's free, so, and there's a lot of voices. And with ElevenLabs, you can actually generate your own voice, and you can clone the voice, and you have a lot of options. But again, you need to pay money. They have a completely free plan with ElevenLabs. You're just limited to 10,000 credits, which is like 10 minutes. But here with Speechma, it's completely free. So you pick your poison. So try it, give me your opinion, and if you're gaining any knowledge or on anything from these videos, please give me a like and subscribe and comment. Thank you. Bye.